Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at how to look at completed or already sold items on eBay. So first go to ebay.com, of course, then search up a product that you would like to look at. And then once you're on here, let's say we want to look at the completed price, right? So we have to go to the filter. So click on advanced here, and then click on completed listings here. Actually, let me go back. It should be on here too, on the left where the filters are. So scroll down until you see the show only. It's like you have to go down a bit on the filter section on the left side. Just click on completed items. And then also, or click on sold items to see the ones that are sold. So as you can see the price, what it's sold for, and what it shipped, and when it happened. So like this was sold today. That was sold for parts only. You can also change like the what's called the condition. So if you want, like, you have like a new one that you haven't opened and you're gonna sell it, just go to condition, click new. So the KitchenAid Classic, it's like 4.5 quarts. The price they sold for is 200. You can also look at like other things like graphics card if you're into that. So we could put like 1060, 6 GB. And then also, if you don't uncheck it, it's gonna show the completed and sold items. So this sold today for $87, sold for 86, it sold for 90, 100. So you can see like the price is around $80 to $100 depending on its condition and whatnot. So you could just click on new condition to look at the new ones that are sold. And then that is how you look at sold items on eBay. You just gotta uncheck to like bring it back to normal, or you could like click reset for filters, but I'm just gonna click uncheck these, and it's just gonna show normal again. So that's how you look at it, and thank you for watching.